$25,000 over 3 months. That's just $8,000 per month and $20,000 between April and June this year. $514.58 on just the 15th of July. Now, that's earnings from the whole Amazon affiliate program, not just one store. But one of the best parts about Fresh is that you automatically get an unlimited license so you can have as many stores as you like. But what makes Fresh different? Basically, it's the only Amazon store that's been built from the ground up to be 100% focused on selling Amazon products. Everything about it, the whole code base, is designed to sell. That means with Fresh, you can get far more unique content, far better SEO, and that means your sites actually rank and actually get traffic. Not to mention, they look amazing. So let me hand you over to the guy who actually created it. This is Kerry Baird, and he's going to show you around the store that can generate commissions like that for you.
Hi there, this is Kerry Baird, creator of Fresh Store Builder. Okay, now this is the 5th release of Fresh Store Builder, and that means it's got more features packed into it than any other Amazon store. I mean, you're looking at 6 solid years of development, so I'm not going to show every single feature here. You can check that out on the sales page below. But what I will do is show you the kind of site you'll own when you're using Fresh. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this is the kind of site you can have right out of the box. It shows off your best sellers down here, and if you've got any special offers, you can see them down here as well. On the left hand side, you've got a selection of your categories, your brands, and you've got everything else in between. Now, if you don't like the look and feel of this store that you're seeing now, there's 2 other templates that you can choose from, and on top of that, each template has a multitude of skins which change the colours, the fonts, and different elements to give it a whole new feel for a different niche. Okay, so what you're looking at now is the home page of the store. But if we go into a product, and I'm going to just choose this product down here. Now you can see all this information is pulled straight from Amazon. You've got the price, you've got the description, you've got the stock information, you've got all these key features and specifications down here, and a bit further down you can see the reviews. This new version of Fresh Store Builder also lets your customers submit reviews directly to your site. This means more unique content, and nowhere else will have these reviews. Google's going to notice this, and it's going to give you a better rank, and we all know how important that unique content is. Okay, so what you're seeing at the moment is basically an automatic version of Fresh Store Builder. You can give your store an Amazon category and it will automatically find these products for you, automatically populate them. That means you can have a store pretty much done and constantly updated for you with absolutely no work. And that means you're not limited to just 1 or 2 stores. You can literally have hundreds if you like, and you can just let the script do everything. But what makes Fresh Store Builder special is how much you can customize. Most Amazon stores and other solutions will pull content in from Amazon and then that's it. And that means you've got a site full of duplicate content. And at best, they may let you change the descriptions, but it's going to be a really complicated process. You're going to have to go into WordPress, you have to edit posts, edit code, and who wants to do all that? So with Fresh, all you've got to do to change the content is click on the area that you want to edit. You go in, you click it, you add some new text, you click out. Nice and simple, the text is changed instantly. Now how easy is that? Okay, now maybe you want to change the look and feel of your store. All you have to do is go into the back end and choose to change the template. I'm going to click over here and this is the admin area of your store. I'm going to go into the menu option at the top, click change template, and as I was talking about before, we have 3 unique templates to choose from in the core package. This was the fluid template that we had and we've just been looking at. You've also got Flexi Store, you've also got Smooth Store, and inside each of these templates you've got tons of options and a number of skins that you can just automatically select to change the look and feel. Okay, so where it's really good is the visual editor. So if you want finer control, when you access the visual editor, you've got all these options so you can make it look exactly as you want it. I'm just going to click into here, into the visual editor. And as you can see, your store loads up in the right hand side, and on the left we've got a number of options. All you've got to do, go in and find the option you want to change. I'm going to go into the header, I'm going to choose the top menu bar, I'm going to change that background color to a nice green. Well, it's not a nice green, but as you can see, it's updated the store instantly. And that's what it means by visual. You can change all these options and see exactly how it looks before you click save and before you click commit. And you can just play around with it and you can see what looks good and what looks bad. And you can get it just right. So we got tons of options in there. You've got everything in the footer, the sidebar, the different elements, the different fonts and all these kind of things. So it's a very good tool. I'm going to cancel that because I don't want my navigation bar to look pink. So adding products is really easy to do as well. I'm going to show you how to do that now. I'll run it through it really quickly. So if we go into products, we can use the find products feature. And as we've seen, one of the products we clicked into was a steak. So I'm just going to search again for some more steak. And what we're doing now is just querying Amazon, and it's going to come back and show you all the products that it's matched. As you can see, a couple of these products are grayed out already in this list, and that means we've added them already to the store, so you can't add them again. I'm going to choose a category of steaks up here, which is the category on my store that it's going to go into. Then I'm going to choose this prime ribeye steak. Just click the green eye button, couple of seconds, it's done, it's on your store. So let's go in and find that and see what it's done. So we go into the products, view recent products. And here we can see added 10 seconds ago is the prime ribeye steak. So I'm going to click this link and it'll show me on the front of the site all the information has been pulled over already, the image, the information, the reviews, everything is there. How quick was that? Okay, so I hope that's given you an idea of just how easy Fresh is to use. But I also mentioned it was great for ranking, and here you can see why. This is a brand new page, you just saw me create it, and right out the box it's fully SEO optimized. I'm going to click in here and show you how. You can actually edit the tags, you can edit the meta information, you can edit anything you like. It's all in here, but it's been automatically created for you. As you can see, the page name has been taken from the title, which goes in the URL. You've got the meta keywords and the meta description already automatically inserted in for you. But you can go in here and you can tweak it and you add to it and you can take away from it. On top of that, you've got all the Amazon content. You can add in your own content. You can change the tags that it is assigned to on the store. All kinds of things like that. And as you can see on the front of the site, with the category system, the site is automatically built using a silo structure. That makes it really easy for your customers to navigate, but it's also really good for getting a great rank in Google. But there's another reason Fresh stores get more traffic than any other Amazon store. Okay, now this is the Facebook page for the Fresh Store Builder software, but what I've done is I've linked it up to the store that I was just showing you all the features on. Now, we all know how good Facebook is for driving traffic. Every time you post something here, a chunk of your likes get to see it in their newsfeed. So when you post an offer, you'll get a load of clicks and you'll get a load of traffic. But of course, you don't want to spend all your time keeping loads of Facebook pages up to date. And that's why Fresh Store Builder will do it for you automatically in version 5. So, do you remember that product that we just added? Here's the post for it. And as you can see, it's pulled over the image, it's pulled over the information about it, and it's got a link here that your visitors will see in their newsfeed. They'll click it, they'll buy from your store, and you'll get the commission. So this means every time you add a new product to your store, or you edit an existing one, you can get a new post on your Facebook page and a new burst of traffic to your site. And finally, you don't just get more traffic, you get better conversions too. And that's why over 5,000 people use Fresh Store Builder. It actually makes them money. Okay, so with most Amazon stores and plugins and websites, when one of your prospects clicks to buy, they're taken straight through to Amazon. So they're forced to leave your site, and all opportunities for selling more stuff and getting more commissions are completely lost. Your Fresh Store Builder store comes with its own shopping cart. So watch what happens when one of your customers decides to buy. They click on Add to Cart, just like I'm going to do here with this steak product. They get taken through to the basket page, and here on the basket you can see they have the option to continue shopping. And if I click this, I'm going to be taken straight back to where I was before. So I can keep looking around at the different products in the store, and I can click Add to Cart again. Each time the customer does that, they're making your commissions bigger and bigger. Now when they're ready, when they've filled their basket full of stuff, they click on Proceed to Checkout, and this takes them straight through to Amazon. From here, they just confirm the products that they want to buy, and it goes straight to their cart, and they complete the checkout process entirely on Amazon. So your visitors are going to find it much easier to buy far more stuff, and that means a lot more commissions for you. Okay, so these are just some of the reasons why Fresh Store Builder stores give you absolutely amazing results. And even in your admin area, you can see exactly how well your store is doing with the checkouts, with the stats, with various reports on every aspect of your store. So you always know how well your store is performing, and you don't have to dig through all the data. It's really clear and it's really obvious. Okay, so that's a quick tour, and really we've only just scratched the surface of what Fresh Store Builder can do. But let me hand you back to James, who's going to be talking about the most important part about today.